What you need to know about the Lloydminster Bi-Provincial Try-a-Trade. This public event, hosted at the Lloydminster Exhibition Association, brings together exhibitors from various trades, colleges, trade supporters, safety organizations, and the agricultural sector. These exhibitors will provide hands-on activities, giving middle years and high school students the chance to explore different trades and careers firsthand. Here's what you need to know to make your Try-a-Trade experience a success. You will arrive by bus and be dropped directly at the event entry. Each school will pre-register its students, who will check in with volunteers upon arrival. Students will receive a token of appreciation, along with a color-coded map to guide them through the event. It's essential that students understand their map color-coded system, as it organizes exhibitors by trade and category. Students should use this map to plan which booths they want to visit. While at the event, feel free to ask questions at the booths to learn more about each trade and sector. Teachers can support students by discussing example questions that can be asked. Engaging in conversation with booth representatives before accepting any free items is both polite and professional. Remember to take turns, be patient, and use your manners, qualities that are highly valuable in any job setting. For this event to continue as a free experience, feedback is crucial. Each student is asked to complete a brief survey to help improve future events. Survey tables will be available, and QR codes are printed on the back of the maps for easy access. Please ensure your students complete the survey before leaving. When it's time to depart, a microphone system will be available for teachers to call students back to their buses. As students leave, we encourage them to thank the exhibitors for their time and the valuable experiences they've shared. We look forward to seeing you at the Lloydminster Bi-Provincial Try-a-Trade, proudly brought to you by the partnership of the Lloydminster Construction Association, Lakeland College, Cenovus Energy, Sask Jobs, and the Alberta Government. This event has been made possible by a collaborative committee that includes representatives from the Lloydminster Construction Association, Lakeland College, Lloydminster Catholic School Division, Lloydminster Public School Division, Buffalo Trail Public Schools, the Alberta Government, and Alberta and Saskatchewan apprenticeship programs. This video was made in partnership by Lakeland College. Established in 1913, Lakeland College was founded on the belief that students learn best through action. With 50-plus programs to choose from, including trades, certificates, diplomas, degrees, and more, go beyond the classroom at Lakeland. We'll prepare you for what comes after graduation, because the real world doesn't wait.